Oh, you sick of them? Oh. You got the hiccup still. He likes the hiccup. Oh, big hiccup. Oh, lots of hiccups today. There's nothing wrong with you, and you would be literally crawling to school because of so we try and talk, and the hiccups get in the way. Women don't talk about those things anymore because the comics, have made so many jokes about. You trying to talk, and the hiccups get in the way. Oh. Hiccup. Hiccup. Hiccup.